there a basketball court?
Right here.
Oh, I was on the basketball court. Alright, what's up, people? Doing a little vlogging in the park. Got the baby pup with me. Nova, you're a cutie patootie. You right, puppy? Get her. Look around this crazy park in Irvine. Pretty nifty. They got all these like things. All these pathways. Pretty nifty. I don't know if the exposure's right. They got like, it's crazy. They got like slides and walkways and doodle deedles. Oh. My beautiful babe. Too close to focus. Woo! My puppy. I think so. It's like a whirly gig. Yeah. Oh man. Just hanging on to that, trying to frickin' spin around would be hilarious. Trying to find. Woo! Ooh, that's squishy. Oh yeah, that's right there. That's the spot. Squishy. Squishy. Kind of windy. I want to fly the drone right now, but I don't know. I'm sure it'll handle it. Old? Yeah. We're too old to play here. Sorry, that's probably blurry. We're too old to play here. Designated for children 5 to 12. I'm just not old enough. What am I gonna do? Babe, don't kill yourself. What up? So, just flew the drone. Definitely did well considering how windy it was today. Have no clue. First time I've used it. I don't even know what the footage looks like. So, I'm gonna go home and check out that footage. Okay, back at the house. Been editing for a couple hours now. Wanted to go over two things. One, video micro, Rode video micro. On the camera right now, you're listening to it. Killer sound, super sharp. It was a super windy day. Didn't have any issues with the volume. So I'd say for the $69.99 or $59.99, whatever it is, always on sale, Best Buy or wherever you can get it. Killer investment. Doesn't take batteries, doesn't need anything extra to function. You can plug it into your iPhone if you want. Killer product. One thumb up. Being that it was super windy, the little teeny tiny spark, this guy right here, actually did really well. I'm still having some issues with stuff because I have no clue how to use it, and was having connectivity issues. So if anybody knows how to help me with that and has one of these, please let me know. Otherwise, super impressed. We're talking like strong 10, 15, 20 mile an hour winds and big gusts. Flew a couple hundred yards up, had no issue, and I also recommend it. So for the price that thing can be picked up, and I'll find something to put in the description below. It's the perfect first drone, and you'll see a bunch of footage from it throughout this video. Just want to interrupt the broadcast for that, and stay nerdy, people. So, chilling at this park. Pretty cool backdrop, if you ask me. I got the girlfriend and the puppy, doing a little vloggy vlog weekend style, and got people staring at me like I'm crazy. It's kind of exciting. Got this crazy barbecue grill in the back. Nothing wrong with that. Anyway, we're at this crazy park. Should be some solid glam footage of the park here coming up shortly in the vlog. And hope you enjoy the trees and leaves and park. Peace out. Walking through the park. Walking through the park with your girlfriend's Dizzle. So, one of the things I've noticed about the mic is it doesn't pick up very much noise. It's actually one of the only microphones made by Rode, and most people, I guess, that comes with the dead cat already on it. So, you can see, I can't get it off. No, I'll show you back to the studio.
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
That's a voice changer. It's not gonna be a girl.
To do those black and white.
Yeah, that's sad. Why are you looking at me, crooked bear?